In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to unlink Roblox account from PS4 and PS5. For this tutorial, we'll be using a web browser on our computer to log in to Roblox. Open a browser and search for Roblox website and log into your account. In the Home tab of Roblox, click the gear icon on the upper right corner and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings page, click on the Security option. Now scroll down to where you're logged in section and you'll be able to see different devices that currently logged in using your Roblox account. In this section, you'll be able to see the PlayStation, and you need to click on the disconnect button beside it. Then if prompted, then you need to verify it by providing the PIN or the code attached to your account. After doing that, then you'll see that there's no PlayStation section anymore. Then your Roblox account has been unlinked from PS4 or PS5. That's it.